Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is Introduction of Cube. Playgroup class. In this lecture we will learn about cube shape. There are 4 different shapes of cube and these are cube shapes. The first one is dice. What is the actual shape of dice? I can see this dice has a face of cube and all its faces is actually same size. The next one is box. The third one is gift and the last one is ice cube. Playgroup class, again read with me. The first one is dice. What is this? Dice. The next one is box. What is this? Box. The third one is gift. What is this? Gift. And the last one is ice cube. What is this? Ice cube.